Hello, Dr. Casella here, and in this video we're going to learn how to read a text file. So in particular, the text file we will be working with is words.txt, and you can find that file by going to this link. So if you click here and go to the link, you can see a whole list of words there. What you want to do is you want to capture this file and copy it on your hard drive and know where it's located. If this is the URL to get to that file, if you just back up one, if you cut out the file and just hit enter up to the code section there, you can see this lists all the different files within that directory. And down here is words.txt. So if I right click on that, I can download that linked file. So I have a download linked file as, and it's going to download it as words.txt, and it'll put it wherever I tell it to go. I can save it wherever I want. Now I've already done that before, and so I have that file right here in words.txt, and if I get the info on that file, it shows me the path. So it's on my hard drive, it's in users. Now I want to show you that that this path is exactly the path I have here when I use the open statement to open this file. So I've got users, Vincent Casella, documents, Python homework solutions, and then the name of the file, words.txt. So that path is the path that I need on my computer in order to open up this file using the open command. You'll have a different path for your computer. But just you need to know where it is, and you need to know how to access that file by putting in the correct file name and path. And you notice that these forward slashes are used to help separate the directories to bring me to the file. So if I take this command open, and I'm taking the command open. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it here. And so I'll have access. I'm setting open equal to FIN. All right. And so that's like a file identifier. And so when I want to use this file, I will use that file. When I want to work with the file, I will use that file identifier. So the first thing I do is I identify it. So now it's opened, the file is opened, and I can access it through FIN, my file identifier. If I set a variable named line equal to FIN, that's my file, and then I apply the readLine function, what it will do is read the first line in that file and store it in the variable name line. Okay. Now if I print line, it'll print the first line of that file. And there it is. But you notice after it printed the first line in that file, and I'll show you that that is indeed the first line. Here, I'll click here. So there it is, AA. It's the first line in that file. But you notice there's all this extra space over there. The reason why you have all that extra space is because there are some hidden characters there, like carriage return and things like that. And when when we read the line with this read line command, it reads in all that stuff. So there's another method you could use. So you've got the read line method to read one line at a time, and then you've got the strip method. And the way the strip method works is I will define a variable named word, and I'll set it equal to line, all right, which is the first line in the file that I just read up here, and then I'm going to apply the strip method to it. Okay, now if I print Word, you see I have just the double A with no big space underneath. Because what strip did is it stripped all those white space characters and just left me with what I was interested in is the word without all that stuff. So you can see the difference if I print line again. Line's got all that extra white space, and if I print Word, because Word is the stripped version of line, it doesn't. Okay, and if when I want to stop working with the file, I just close it by typing in the file identifier FIN and then dot close. Okay, oh, I got an error here. Oh, because I spelled it wrong. All right, fin.close. There we go. Okay, well, that's it. All for now. Bye.